Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you're not, you know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang. On this channel we do budgeting as well as following my journey to home ownership. If you like any of that, please consider subscribing, hitting that red button down below, as well as if you watch the video and you get halfway through, midway through to the end, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. I would really appreciate that, and leave me a comment down below because I like to talk to you guys. Remember, all of this is what? Free 99, and if it's free, it's for me. Now you guys, I do want to tell you this video is going to be a little different. It's going to be a budget sort of video because I'm cleaning up my desk, y'all. Have you ever noticed that if your mind is cluttered, then everything else is cluttered? And I like that my budget is so organized for the most part, and I need everything else to be organized. Now, I don't know how my desk got like this, but baby, it's not looking great. But I don't think it's going to take a lot to get it where it needs to be. But first, I wanted to show you some of the things I picked up at the Dollar Tree that will be used on this clean up your desk project, as well as on another project that will be coming up in another video. I picked these up. Let me try to do this with just the sunlight so y'all can see the coloring for real. So this is such a pretty minty sagey green, and this came with all three are attached. So I got 3 of these for $1. It looks like it's supposed to be like a pen holder. So I don't know why I needed 3, okay? And then there was 2 of these that came together, held together by this little thing, and this looks like it could hold anything. So these are cute. So I actually have them in white already on my desk, and I really wanted the green, but I didn't see them. I guess they dropped them for spring, and I was excited when I saw it. All for $1. This is another $1. And since I've gotten my planner recently, I've been using my stickers more often, and I've been looking for something to put my stickers in on my desk. So I'm so happy I got that. I have one more thing, but it's full of things. So this is the last thing, which is probably going to end up going inside of the desk drawer. I'm hoping it fits in the desk drawer because I didn't measure. But inside of that, I want to show you really quickly some of the things I'm going to use to make my own faux terrarium. So I was in Home Goods and I saw this. Isn't it beautiful? I am a big fan of rose golds and coppers, and I got those 2 prints at Home Goods as well. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen them. I will leave my Instagram on the screen and down below. It's always in the description box. Follow me. This was $9.99 and I love it. And I was like, oh my god, it'd make a cute terrarium. And when I was walking around the store, I'll show you a picture of what I actually saw, that they were selling for $30. They were selling this for $30. And I was like, I can make my own. So I went to the dollar store and I grabbed some fake moss. I haven't decided if I want to use the moss yet. Remember, everything is $1. Reindeer moss. Then I picked up some stones. I got 2 of these. These are just called pebbles, I guess. So there's 2 of these. So $1, $2, $3. And then I just picked up a whole bunch of these fake succulents. I'm a little concerned as to what I'm going to do with this, but I'm thinking these may be cool if I wash them out and use them for measuring things like while in the kitchen when I get my own kitchen. But here are 2 of them. 3. I'm not sure I need this many. 4, 5, just for a little height on these last 2, and 6. So I bought 6 of these. Not sure if I'm gonna need 6 of those, but that is that. So just wanted to do a quick Dollar Tree haul of what I picked up, and then I picked up some snacks for work. I finally got to use my Dollar Tree envelope. And yeah, let's get into fixing this desk up, okay? All right, so this is a part of it. So first I'm gonna clear everything off.
I want to point out that sometimes it seems like it's going to take us longer than it really is going to take us. So we tend to procrastinate on doing the things that we need to do. And then when we do them, we're like, that didn't even take that long. What are these errands even doing on the desk? Like, errands do not belong on the desk. Okay, now that the desk is clean,
I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a good wipe. I don't know, right, these spots here, I don't know where my fingers are closest to. They're a little messed up, so let me clean.
sorry if it's shaking, you guys. It's actually hooked up to the desk. So let's start putting things back on, like the main things that you know you have to have on the desk, like the laptop.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
And this next, we're gonna go inside the drawer. Here we go. Hopefully y'all can see it. Here's the finished desk. My little books that I used to jot in, my hole punch, my lavender, I'm obsessed with lavender right now, laptop, keyboard, Agnes, Kish, Money Buster Brown, Flora, my thing that's holding my sticker books, the new pen and scissor holder, a unicorn tape dispenser, the mouse. I want to get a new mouse pad. This I had already at the house, so I sprayed everything down with Lysol. And then this is what the drawer is looking like right now. This is just like notepads, odds and ends, like batteries for the mouse and, you know, gum, emergency, ginger tea, little notepads, general stuff. The other two scissors, glue stick, extra tape should be here because all the tape's here. My X-Acto knife, and there are some, what are those called, paper clips that I want to put somewhere else, maybe in one of those, when I extract the little thing from here, I might put it in there and put the paper clips in there. And then the calculator and the holders that my highlighters came out of, and my calculator and notepads. And I didn't want anything covering the notebooks and notepads because I grabbed for them a lot. And yeah, and then the drawer closes okay, it fits. Excited about that. So that is my desk organization. There are a few things I took out, and that's okay. They will find other homes. It's looking a lot nicer. But that's my desk organization, and on a budget with things that I found at the Dollar Tree. This is from the Dollar Tree also. This from the Dollar Tree. This from Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. And even those lilac flowers were from Walmart, but they were $1, and the vase thing was actually 97 cents. So a lot of it was $1. So I hope you enjoyed watching me organize my desk today. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, order to be great, you have to be grateful, and I'm super duper grateful for you. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Have a wonderful best day, guys. Remember, in order to be great, I said that already. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, y'all, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever. All right, bye.